How can we use diet and lifestyle approaches to prevent cognitive decline? So as we get older, it becomes more and more important to do whatever we can to keep our brains healthy and to protect from cognitive decline. And let's take a look at research from the last few years to see what is actually evidence-based for protecting keeping that mind sharp and healthy as we age. So there's a bunch of research about different diets. So let's look at a few of them. There's research on the Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, healthy fats, and it is linked to lower rates of cognitive decline. So there's research from 2020 in Frontiers in Nutrition that showed that sticking to this diet was connected to better cognitive function and lower risk of dementia. Another diet is the DASH diet, the Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension diet. So this diet is less popular, less well known. It's focused on reducing sodium, so less salt, more potassium, more calcium, more magnesium. Right? And this diet is good for heart health. It's also good for brain health. And there's a study from 2019 in Alzheimer's and dementia, which showed that the DASH diet significantly reduced the risk for cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Yay, so another good finding. Another diet is the MIND diet, so the Mediterranean/DASH diet, right? Blended all together, right, for neurodegenerative delay. And combining the elements of Mediterranean and the DASH diet into the MIND diet to specifically protect brain function. And that's, again, the foods that go with both, right? Leafy greens, nuts, seeds, things like that. There's a study from 2021 on this diet, the MIND diet, which showed that it effectively slowed down cognitive decline in older adults. So the other thing we know is regular physical activity. So any kind of exercise can also help, right? It promotes blood flow, neurogenesis, right? It helps with all kinds of like maintaining activity and function. So various different types of exercise can slow down cognitive impairment. They can prevent and lower the risk for dementia. Activities such as puzzles or anything that helps you learn new skills and stimulate your brain, right? So things like that are evidence-based, right? 2019 study in JAMA, right? That's a good journal, showed that engaging in mentally stimulating activities throughout life is linked to better cognitive health in older age. Another thing is sleep. So sleep is so important for memory consolidation and overall brain function. And poor sleep is linked to cognitive decline. So a study from 2020 found that improving sleep quality significantly reduced the risk for Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. So another motivation for us to figure out a way to get to sleep earlier and get more sleep. Chronic stress can have a negative impact on brain health and cognitive function. So anything that helps to manage stress, mindfulness, meditation, could be reading, anything that works for you to reduce stress can be helpful. So there's a study from 2019 that showed that stress reduction interventions improve cognitive function in older adults. So what to do? Overall, if you want to use your lifestyle, kind of daily life activities to protect your brain, adopt some kind of a healthy diet, right? Whether it's the Mediterranean or the DASH or some blend of those two, that's like a good start. Stay active, so aim for a good amount of at least moderate intensity activity. And keep your mind active too, right? So exercise for your body and exercise for your brain, right? Doing something that stimulates your brain. Make sure you get enough sleep, ideally 7 to 9 hours per night. And make sure you have something in your life to reduce stress, right? To have fun, to relax, and to reduce stress. So these are various strategies to protect yourself from cognitive decline as we age. And the older we get, kind of the more we have to do to take care of our brains and to set ourselves up for healthy aging.